Hi guys, today we will talk about that how you can configure Open VPN server on Tp-Link Omada Gigabit VPN router. Log in to Omada router with your username and password. Go to VPN and select Open VPN. In the Open VPN server section, click on the Add button. Enter your VPN server name. Select Protocol UDP. Enter 1194 Open VPN port number. Enter your local network. Select Static IP Configured WAN port. Enter IP pool for VPN client. Click on OK to save the configuration. Now, we have finished the configuration of the OpenVPN server with Omada router. Next, export the certificate file of the OpenVPN server. Next, open your web browser and download OpenVPN Connect software. After download OpenVPN software, installed it on your computer. Upload the .ovpn file which you exported from Omada router. Click on the Connect button. Finally, we are successfully connected to OpenVPN server.